I want to welcome you once again to the Desmond and Shay Fishing Show. We on our way right now, heading down this rugged, rough, I guess, local road. Where's this area, Desmond?
Yeah, actually they call this side we're going to, they call it Matogun. This side is Matogun, somewhere off Lagos. Okay, we are not in Lagos actually. We are in Ogun State now. So we're going there to fish, and of course,
we're going to fish
every water in Lagos, Nigeria, Africa. That's how we do it. Let's go.
The Okearo-Matogun is one of the closest roads to Lagos State as it comes after the Ishega roundabout via the Toyin bus stop. Today, this major road has become a death trap for the vehicles and commuters who use it. Bad weather and harsh environmental conditions has resulted in heavy erosion of major parts of the highway. But the good thing you find out about people living in Matogun is that they are very accommodating, friendly, warm in spite of the bad roads.
Just want to make sure. Yeah, kind of. Not really. Want to cover the book completely with the one. Okay, with essence. So sometimes you leave it like this, dancing to attract the I got something. Oh, come on. This one is small. I'm going to use this to actually.
In the boat.
Yeah? Yeah, there's a canoe. we're trying to cross to the other side to see what we can get. Okay, so far we've caught some fish, so I want to see if we can get more on this side. That's how it is. We've been on that side for a couple of hours and we actually caught some fish, and we have to cross to this other side of the river to try our luck and see what we can catch. Okay, she is somewhere around there. He's going to set his lines there and see what we can get from this water. So don't go nowhere. Okay, thanks for watching the video for today. And of course, you know, it's just like a battle, you lose some, you win some, you caught some, and some escape. And see my line? Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.